Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Hub. Today we're shining a light literally on one of GoPro's most underrated accessories, the GoPro Light Mod. Whether you're vlogging, shooting action in low light, or you just want to improve the video quality, this tiny yet powerful light could be a game changer. So let's get into it and let's start the episode. Okay, so I reviewed the Media Mod, I've reviewed the Volta, and this is the last piece of the puzzle because they sell a creator bundle, and that is the creator bundle. And actually, I've learned so much about GoPro since stocking them and using it as a hobby. This is a great accessory, and you don't actually need a GoPro to use it. For example, I've been using it to make these videos. So I've got a code shoe that holds my phone that records these episodes. I've just got it on there facing me as a light. Apart from this episode, because I'm holding it, I usually use a desk lamp here. So it's great. It's tiny. So you've got this here where you charge it USB-C, charges really quickly as well and keeps charge well. You've also got, you can see there's what, 10 bulbs here. And now you've also got this, and I highly recommend using it. This really makes your light a lot better. It smooths it out and not so harsh, but it really does make it smooth. There's three. So there's a little button on the top. Press it once, that's the lower setting, and there's a medium and a high. There's also, because it's an action cam, and let's face it, if the extreme people are out, you know, and something happens, it flashes as well. Now, I can't see a use case for this, apart from an emergency, so it's good that they've also been conscientious when it comes to that. Now, to turn it off, you just hold it. And that's it, it goes off. That's it, simple use. Now I came across this because in my eBay hunting, I purchased a GoPro Media content bundle, and part of that bundle is this light mod. I decided to keep it, and in fact, I've got the bundle still for myself. I've just kind of kept the bits separately from bundles I've bought. So I decided to keep it, and I've just been using it as a instead of my desk lamp to make these videos, and it was just easy for me to add to my tripod setup. So it's a must for every video that I've recorded. In this episode, we'll go through the history and the specs of the GoPro Light Mod. We'll look at the price and market options, and I'll give you my verdict on whether it's worth picking up in 2025. Now let's get into the history and the specification. So the GoPro Light Mod was first introduced in late 2019 alongside the GoPro Hero 8 and the first Media Mod ecosystem. The idea was simple: expand GoPro beyond just an action camera into vlogging powerhouse with lights, microphones and extra mounting options. Like I said, it's the creator bundle. And I think they did really well. I mean, 6 years on, they've achieved that mission. I mean, look at me, I use it right now. So its key specs is a compact LED light with a maximum brightness of 200 lumens. 4 levels of brightness, so you can adjust depending on the situation, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters, so that's 33 feet. So you can take it swimming, snorkeling, or out in the rain without any worries. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, lasting around 6 hours on the lowest setting, or about 1 hour at the max brightness. And it's quick to charge as well because it's USB-C. It can be mounted directly to the Media Mod or use standalone with a clip mount. So you can just use another GoPro mount, we've got hundreds of them, to attach it somewhere else. Or it can just go on any code shoe that's not GoPro. It includes a diffuser cover which softens the light for more natural looking shots, and I recommend you use that all the time. It's more natural and it's not so poof. It was designed not just for GoPros, but also for anyone who needed a portable and tough little LED for general content creation. Now let's look at the pricing. So when it launched, the GoPro Light Mod retailed at around about £45 to £50 in the UK or $49 in the US. Here in 2025, brand new units are still often sold in that range, but on the pre-loved market on eBay, you can pick them up from around £25 to £30 depending on the condition. You will also see them in bundles as well. So if anybody's selling their GoPro, and they had this, you're going to pick it up in a GoPro. I think that's how I ended up with it, to be honest with you. So, should you buy the GoPro Light Mod in 2025? If you already have a GoPro and you do a lot of filming in darker environments, it's still a fantastic little accessory. It's compact, waterproof, and integrates perfectly with the Media Mod ecosystem. And for use cases like mine, this isn't a dark room, but I know lighting really enhances these videos and make them pop. Simple, boof, little light, magical. That said, if you're purely looking for lighting for vlogs or indoor setups, there are plenty of bigger and brighter LEDs out there for the same price. But for portability and GoPro integration, this one is still hard to beat. Because I just need a simple light for my, let's call it vlogging, this was, because I already use it for GoPro, it was a must. So that wraps up this buying guide on the GoPro Light Mod. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date for the Tech Hub and for more buying guides on Apple and GoPro content. And check out my eBay shop link in the description for pre-loved tech deals, including GoPros and GoPros accessories. Please follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWilts.uk. Check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.